What up, Grand River? Thank you so much for allowing me the honor of participating in your video series. As a former condominium director myself, I know what it's like to get recruited to a condo board. I also know what it's like for a condo board seeking volunteers to come join or to otherwise participate in the operation of the condo. What I'm hoping to do in this video is to share a couple of best practice tips and experiences to give you some ideas if you're a community looking to engage volunteers. Make no mistake that volunteers are essential for the operation of most condominiums, so they are crucial in the operation of many condos. First and foremost, I would suggest that it's important not to assume that members of your community know volunteer opportunities exist. Communicating about them, letting those know that there is room for them to participate should they wish, can go a long way in just planting seeds and having people start to consider what's involved. As part of that, I'd also suggest being transparent about the commitment, how much time is expected, what is exactly involved. You don't want somebody joining your board expecting the board to meet for 1 hour once a month, only to then find themselves tackling multiple emails a day. It's not fair to them. It's not fair to you to have that right type of match. So I think full transparency around what the expectation is really important. I've seen some condos go as far as to allow somebody thinking about running for election to the board to observe a board meeting. I've seen others try to put in place informal feeder type systems where somebody would start off joining a committee and potentially, if that worked well for them, work their way up to running for the board. Personally, I really do recommend that anybody who's maybe thinking about joining a condo board, check out the free mandatory online director training. Of course, it's not mandatory if you're not yet on your board, but you can complete it ahead of time. More importantly, though, I think it gives a better flavor of how the operation of condos work to get a little bit of an idea of what you're getting yourself into. Every community is different, of course, but the commitment of the volunteers across the province, really, for these condominiums is second to none. And if you are a volunteer who's listening to this or looking at this, trying to think of ways to engage others to volunteer, I just want to say thank you very much for the time and effort and commitment that you have for your community. I'm sure everybody appreciates it, but chances are you haven't heard that enough because oftentimes volunteer positions can feel thankless. So thank you and good luck to you in recruiting others to join your board. We're here to help support harmonious communities, as is the Grand River Chapter of the Canadian Condominium Institute. We wish you all the best. Thank you.